Yes, sir. Good evening,
Yes.
everyone. My name is Jay Srivastav, and today my topic is used to and need to. So I want to share with some my childhood story with you. So I used the soap for bathing, but after a skinning problem, I used the soap. I use face wash and body wash. I used to medicine, but now uh, I didn't, and now I use organic product. I don't use organic product. It is very good for me, and my all family members used to consume. But after given my suggestion, they all didn't used to consume uh, generic product. Then my friend told me, you need to go for Ayurveda. Then I said, yes, you are right, but I need to finish my organic product. Then I will use Ayurveda product. I don't need to take both medicines together, Ayurveda and generic product. But my brother, he needs to go for Ayurveda. Do you need to help him? I would like to use in your review. You want to to me, speak to me. You need to talk with my brother. You need to start take care of that, and you need to something about him. You have to be careful, and I need to visit him. I think I need to go now. Thank you.
Good one. Good one. Good one. Used to and need to, you have just mixed up them, right?
Yes, sir. Both are because you are told everyone ki need to and used to both are will be a sentence मतलब होना चाहिए तो सर मैंने दोनों
Yeah,
को
must
कंफ्यूज
come to.
मतलब मिक्स किया था.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
I used to use it, and then when I suggested them, they didn't used to use it again. They need to go for this one. Good one. I like it. Good. Keep up.
Thank you, sir.
Next one, please. Need to, used to. Miss Mahek. Yes. Speak up. No, you are muted. Your voice is not there.
आ रही है आवाज?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell about sentence of used to. She used to typing fast. He used to eat fast. You used to play nice. They used to use piano. I used to eat ice creams. You used to study hard. For everyone's birthday, he used to give party to all. He used to go park every Sunday. I used to play soccer. She used to study night. He used to he used to study. He used to be very weak before joining the gym. He used to drink orange juice before eat. He used to send the email everyone. They close the shop every Monday. Neha used to play a game. She used to comedy show in the TV. I used to watch TV. She used to write an essay. It used to jump very high. She used to writing fast. And need to. This TV is too much bad.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Some of the students you haven't put their determiners. Like for example, they used to go to the park. The park. Next, she used to watch TV. You haven't put there the word watch. Okay. So some of the sentences you haven't put there a, an, or the before the noun. Getting it?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Otherwise, it is really good. Very good. Continue with need to.
Need to. This TV is too much bad. I think we need to buy a new TV. We need to go to the market for shopping. You need to do yoga for fitness. We need to do meditation. You are so tired. I think you need to some rest. I need to complete my
See here.
assignment today.
You need to have some rest, or you need to take some rest.
Okay.
Okay. So verb is missing. Good. Continue.
We need to wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Now it's rainy season. You used to buy a new umbrella. You need to buy a
Need
new
to.
umbrella. Yes, we need to wash our hand. He needn't to find the job. He need to watch the movie. It is the best movie.
He needs to watch and he needn't watch.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good one. Have you made yourself this one?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Keep up, keep up. If you have made it, you are making really nice. I really like it. But just have a look there that you are making just sentences with, you know, with verbs and the determiners without missing. Next one, please. Next, Miss Sana.
So,
Homework. Yes, speak up.
evening everyone, I'm Sana Punjabi. When I was child, I used to wake up early, go to school, and I used to play in school, and I used to good marks in my all subjects. I
I
used to
used
be
to
fat.
score. I used to score good marks.
I used to score good
Speak
marks
up
in my
fast.
all subjects. I used to be fat in my school time. Still, I used to dance in school, and all time I used to ask the teacher for permission to dance in the lecture of PT and drawing. I miss these days when I used to put cover on my school new books. Once upon a time, on Teachers' Day, I was dancing on stage. When my performance is over, I went to the class and I saw my abaya stolen. I cried a lot that time. After this, I didn't used to dance in my school. I used to think young life is better than child life, but I was wrong.
Childhood life.
Childhood life. Thank you.
Good one. And need to.
Need to, sorry, कल दे सकती हूँ need to.
Next, Mr. Ramiz.
Yeah.
Yes. Speak up,
So
please.
I'll start with need to, and then I'll go on used to.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need to get up early. I need to go to the John. I need to brush my teeth and take bath. I need to pray morning prayer. I need to exercise. I need to meditate. I need to study for interview. I need to have breakfast. I need to dress up for my job. I need to plan my day for job. I need to attend morning scrum. I need to start uh, working on things I discussed. I need to imply logics which I plan. I need to attend meeting. I need to be present at my work. I need to discuss suggestions with my manager. I need to complete my work. I need to have lunch in lunch break. I need to get back to work. I need to progress on my given task. I need to update my progress in the evening. I need to log off from my work. I need to attend the classes. I need to participate in it. I need to have dinner. I need to go to sleep.
Arey Ramiz. Only I need to. You have just made. Why didn't you put that? He needs to. She needs to. It needs to. Okay, it was
I
really
thought
good, and you have just
you,
made. No, no, it was really beautiful. I really liked it that you have just put there. I need to, and it is really beautiful. But you can just add some of the things also. Okay. For example, my manager needs to ping me on
okay.
time. Then my HR needs to do this one. My colleague needs to do this one, the task on this one, and I need to just poke them. So you can just add there some other things too. Okay. And when I feel tired, so I need to rest for a long time. This one, that one. You can just have there some of the bowling as well. Good one.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah,
Next, used to.
I've made yeah, used to also is similar to
and
I
and
need
and
to.
and
I've
one
used to.
and okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, Ramesh, why are you reading? Why don't you speak up directly? Speak up
I
directly.
don't
Whatever you're
like
speaking,
I
it
have
will be
not.
considered.
Okay.
No, no. See, I'll tell you one more thing. This is what your routine, right? You can speak up. Literally, whatever you feel, you can just speak up. You'll take a little bit of pause. No problem at all. But at least you are going to speak up there. It will make a good rapport.
Okay.
Used to.
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
just
So
speak about your childhood? What you used to do?
yeah. So
Childhood or
I'll
college
talk
life?
about my
Anything? Yeah.
childhood. So childhood, I used to wake up early, and then I used to play cricket with my friends. They used to bring bat and ball.
Yeah,
And
beautiful.
we used to start playing at like 8 o'clock, and then we used to play for through 2 to 3 hours, and then I used to get back at home and then take a bath, and then we all used to have we all used to have breakfast together, and me with my cousin, we all used to play ludos and stuff, and then we used to go in farm, and then pick some mangoes and all. Then we used to come back, and then we used to uh, have have lunch with our family, and then we used to play video games and all. And then we used to in evening we used to have tea, and then we used to watch IPL with our friends and cousins, and then we used to play little badminton and all, and then we used to sleep in the
Correct.
night.
Correct. Good one. See, as you have just taken here, I used to, we used to, they used to. It is beautiful. Good. Keep up. Very good.
Yeah.
Next, who else is there to speak up? Good one, huh? Nice improvement, I can see.
Thank you.
Yes. Who else is there to speak up over here? Anyone? Okay. Miss Chaima, have you watched the videos, the recordings?
No, sir.
Okay. Just whenever you'll have time, and hope for the best for the easier things and all. Whenever you have time,
Yes.
just go through the recordings, and you can just prepare the homework, and you can just show over here. And Miss
Okay.
Aisha. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tomorrow I want both of them.
Yes, sir.
And even today's. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Without any fail, tomorrow I want today's, the day before yesterday's, and the previous one of used to, need to, used to, etc. Now we're going to go ahead again. Let's go for the next one. Now yesterday means before that, the day before yesterday, when you people were present, and yesterday all of you were present. एक साथ में इतने सारे आए थे कल तो. So we had our need to, right? Now we're going to go here. I think we are remaining only with one or two topics, maybe, which are remaining. Let's have a look here. Then we're going to go ahead for the best. What is that? What is that? We have done with need to, used to also. What is remaining? Dare to. That's it. Now today we are going to just finish our this topic, and I'm going to start a new one today itself. All right. Good one. So dare to is remaining. Now who can tell me dare to? It is really very easy. Huh? When do we use dare to?
Can I?
Yes, please tell.
Challenges.
Correct. We use their dare to for challenges. Is that clear to all of you?
Yeah.
सबको बचपन से मालूम रहेगा वैसे तो ये कोई नया नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
We use their dare to for challenges. Dare to का मतलब क्या होता है? हिम्मत करना. Challenges के लिए यूज करते हैं हम लोग. I dare to. मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ ये करने की. I dare to do that. I dare to do this. I dare to do this. I dare to do that. So we can use their dare to for challenges. Is that clear? Now, for example, I dare to. It is the same case that as you are going to use dare to, like as we have used the need to. For example, I dare to. मैं ये करने का हिम्मत कर सकता हूँ. For example, I dare to speak. I dare to speak the truth. मैं हिम्मत रखता हूँ सच बात बोलने की. In front of all the hypocrites. चलो, next one. I dare to speak the truth. Next, he
dares to catch snake.
correct.
Dares.
He dares to catch a snake. He dares to catch a snake. Next, she dares to. Jai, she dares to call me at 3 a.m. Next, it dares to. It dares to. It dares to. It dares to release the lockdown. Who? The government.
Government.
Next one, or it dares
They.
to catch fire. Maybe some animal. Next one, It dares to attack. Why I'm giving so many sentences on it? Because people are facing a lot of problems with. It dares to attack China. Who? America. Country. Next one. You dare to. You dare to. You dare to pay the fee. Next. We dare to. We dare to. Give me some great sentences. We dare to have a roller coaster ride. They dare to. They dare to
Go on trekking.
go on trekking. They dare to go on trekking. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So dare to is not there in the file. Dare to is not there in the books as well. Okay. File में एक आधे बार मैंने लिखा रहेगा dare to for challenges, but in the books we don't have dare to. So it is really very simple. We are going to use the dare to for challenges. Okay. Now, as you can see here, statement, question, and negative for dare to. For example, I dare to, and he, she, it.
Dares to.
Yeah. Why Jay? Why Mahek? Yes.
So singular plural, sir.
Correct. Ayurveda, plural, dare to. He, she, it, singular, dares to. Next one. I dare to. Can you please give me a good sentence with dare to? I dare to. I dare to bell the cats. What do you mean by this one? I dare to bell the cats.
बिल्ली को घंटी कौन माने?
करेक्ट. बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधेगा? आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा हिंदी वगैरह के अंदर. People use it. So I dare to. So dare to model auxiliary verb है हमारा. और ये मैंने ब्लू में इसके लिए किया हूँ इसको बेल द कैट को बिकॉज इट्स अ क्लीशे. बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधेगा सुना रहेगा. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? I dare to I dare to bell the cats. मतलब है नहीं. I dare to take the responsibility. Is that clear? अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी जैसे कि अभी हम लोग हैं, अभी अपन 5-6-7 लोग हैं, ट्रेकिंग पे जा रहे हैं. कहाँ पे? अफ्रीका के जंगल में. तो वहाँ पे अपन किसको बोलेंगे? चलो भाई, लीडर कौन बनेगा? सो रमीश इज सेइंग आई डेयर टू बेल द कैट. मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने की. ओके, मेरे पीछे पीछे आते रहना. शेर भी से मैं खुद लड़के ले लूँगा, तुम लोग सेफ रहना. सो आई डेयर टू बेल द कैट्स. क्वेश्चन करेक्ट.
Dare I?
Do I
Do I?
dare to bell the cats? Negative.
I don't.
I
I
don't.
Very good. I don't dare to bell the cats. But I have another negative one. What is that? I
Daren't.
correct. I daren't bell the cat. यहाँ पे आएगा कि टू आएगा? No, यहाँ पे टू नहीं आता है. So I don't dare to. Do I dare to? I don't dare to. And negative is what? I don't dare to. And another negative is what? Daren't. I didn't bell the cats. Any doubts to anyone? Anyone?
No,
Next
sir.
one. She dares to. She dares to slap him. Question?
Does she?
Does.
She dared to slap him. And negative?
She doesn't have to slap him.
Doesn't.
She doesn't dare to slap him. Or she
Didn't
daren't
slap him.
slap him. Correct. All right. Please pay attention. She dares to slap. Does she dare to slap? And she doesn't dare to slap. This is what the common. And another one is what? She daren't slap. She daren't slap. See, this nonsense is saying what? She did not dare to slap. It is getting in the past tense. गूगल वाला कभी कभी दिमाग खराब करता है. बाय द वे, आप लोग अपना अपना दिमाग मत खराब करना इसी चक्कर में. Have a look here. So, I dare to build the cat. Do I dare to build the cat? I don't dare to build the cat. I want all of you to make sentences with I. Any doubts to anyone, by the way? बहुत simple है. Any doubts to anyone? If you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. Else we are going to make sentences here. Please try to make some real sentences. Why do I mean by real? Why do I say real? Because if you are going to speak up the reality, you will be speaking up very fluently in English. Reality. Let's go. Take verbs and make sentences. Take verbs and make sentences. We're going to go with it. Make sentences with this one. Faster. I dare to. Yes. I dare to.
I dare to swallow a fish. Do I dare to swallow a fish? I didn't dare. I didn't dare to swallow fish.
Correct.
I don't dare.
I don't dare to. Next.
I dare to speak English. Do I dare to speak English? I don't dare to speak English.
Next. Next. बाकी लोग सो रहे हैं क्या? Make sentences, please, all of you. जल्दी जल्दी. I dare to.
I dare to threaten him. Threaten him. Do I
Threaten
dare
him.
to threaten him? I don't dare to threaten him.
Threaten him. Threaten him.
Threaten.
Next.
I dare to watch horror movie. Do I dare to watch a horror movie? I don't dare to
Don't dare
watch
to
horror
watch a
movie.
horror movie. Next.
I dare to call him father. Do I dare to call him father? I don't dare to call him father.
Good. Yes.
I dare to solve it. Do I dare to solve it? I don't dare to solve it.
Very good. Next.
I dare to prove in court. Do I dare to prove in court? I don't dare to prove in court.
Very good. Prove in code. Next.
I dare to unite two countries. Do I dare to unite two countries? I don't dare to unite two countries.
Very nice. I dare to warn him. Do I dare to warn him? I don't dare to warn him. Continue, please.
I dare to travel. Do I dare to travel? I don't dare to travel.
Next.
I dare to solve puzzle. Do
I
I
dare
dare to do I dare to solve puzzle? I don't dare to solve puzzle.
Correct. Next. I dare to. I dare to enchant them. Do I dare to enchant them? I don't dare to enchant them. I dare to conjure. Do I dare to conjure? I don't dare to conjure. Black magic. Yes.
I dare to work. Do I dare to work? I don't dare to work.
I don't dare to work. Next.
I dare to trust him blindly. Do I dare to trust him blindly? I don't dare to trust him blindly.
Blindly. Next.
I dare to smuggle drugs. Do I dare to smuggle drugs? I don't dare to smuggle drugs.
Very good. Wow.
I,
Yes. I dare to.
I dare to shout her. Do I dare to shout her? I don't dare to shout her.
Shout at her.
Okay.
Next.
I dare to visit another city. Do I dare to visit another city? I don't dare to visit another city.
Next. Next. I dare to
I dare to
apologize.
threaten
Do I dare to
burglar. Do I
apologize?
dare?
I don't dare to apologize. हिम्मत है मेरे में माफी मांगने की. Next.
I dare to threaten burglar. Do I dare to threaten
Threaten.
burglar? I don't dare to threaten burglar.
A burglar. A burglar. Very
Burglar.
nice. Next. Next. Yes. Jaldi please. Next, I dare to.
I dare to torturing my friend. Do I dare to torturing my friends? I don't dare to torturing my friends.
Good. Yes.
I dare to treat. Do I dare to treat? I don't dare to treat.
Good one. Next, can you please give me sentences with he dares to, she dares to, he dares to, she dares to. Make some real sentences. He dares to, she dares to.
He dares to try
Yes.
tie the knot with her. Does he dare to
Does he
tie
dare
the
to?
knot with her? He doesn't dare to tie the knot
He
with her.
doesn't dare. Nice. Next. He dares to, she dares to.
He dares to face problems. Does he dare to face problems? He doesn't dare to face problems.
Face a problem. Next.
She dares to smoke in front of her mother. Does she dare
Uh-huh.
to smoke in front of her mother? She doesn't dare to smoke in front of her mother.
Very nice. Jay, I dare to drink in front of my father.
She dare to swallow. Do he?
Does
Sorry.
she?
Does she swear? Does
Dare
she
to.
dare to swallow? It doesn't dare. It doesn't dare
Gender
to
change.
swallow.
Gender change or I'm Adam. Next. Next.
She dares to turn from what she said. Does she dare to?
Does she?
Yeah. Does she dare to turn from what she said? She doesn't dare to turn from what she said.
Very good. Next.
She dares to insult me. Does she dare to insult me? She doesn't dare to insult me.
Next.
She dare to abuse her manager. Does she dare to
Abuse.
abuse her manager? She doesn't dare to abuse her manager.
Next. Yes, she dares to. He dares to.
He dares to trust him. Does he dare to trust him? He doesn't dare to trust him.
Doesn't dare to.
Trust him.
Next.
He dares to surrender. Does he dare to surrender? He doesn't dare to surrender.
Correct. Next.
She dare to watch horror
Dares to.
movie. Dares to. Does she dares to
No.
watch
Does she
horror
dare
movie?
to? In the first, only what you are just going to say there.
Yes.
She dares to. Does she dare to? She doesn't dare to. Like this.
She dares to watch horror movie. Does she dare to watch horror movie? She doesn't dare to watch horror movie.
A horror movie.
A
Horror
horror
movie. Next. Next.
She dares to suffocate. Does she dares to suffocate? She doesn't dare to suffocate.
Wrong. She dares to suffocate. Does she dare to suffocate? She doesn't dare to suffocate. In the second and third sentence, only dare to will be coming, not dares to. Continue. Yes.
He dares to vaccinate. Does he dare to vaccinate? He doesn't dare to vaccinate.
Very good. Next.
She dare to win. Does she dare to win? She doesn't dare to win.
Very good. Dare to. Next.
She dares to support. Does she dares to support? It doesn't dares to support.
Dare to. Does it dare to? It doesn't dare to. Like this. Next.
She dares to write. Does she dare to write? She doesn't dare to write.
Next one. Next, please.
He dares to sign the paper. Does he dare to sign the paper? He doesn't dare to sign a paper.
Very good. Yes. Okay, it dares to.
It dares to send mail. Does it dare to send mail? It doesn't send mail.
Dare to send mail. Next. Yes.
It dares to run away. Does it dare to run away? It doesn't dare to run away.
Run away. Next. It dares to. It dares to harm. Does it dare to harm? It doesn't dare to harm. It dares to puzzle. Does it dare to puzzle? It doesn't dare to puzzle.
It dares to play. Does it dares to play? It doesn't dare to play.
Next. It dares to assign. Does it dare to assign? It doesn't dare to assign.
It dares to shelter. Does it dares to shelter? It doesn't dare to shelter.
Shelter. Shelter. Very good. Next. It dares to peel. Does it dare to peel? It doesn't dare to peel. It dares to neglect. Does it dare to neglect? It doesn't dare to neglect. Yes.
It dares to pull. Does it dare to pull? It doesn't dare to pull.
Dare to pull. Next.
It dares to publish. Does it dare to publish? It doesn't dare to publish.
Nice sentence. It dares to read. Does it dare to read? It doesn't dare to read.
It dare to offer. Does it dare to offer? It doesn't dare to offer.
Correct. Next.
It dares to provoke. Does it dare to provoke? It doesn't dare to provoke.
Provoke. Next.
It dares to regret. Does it dare to regret? It doesn't dare to regret.
Regret. Next.
It dares to approve. Does it dare to approve? It doesn't dare to approve.
Approve. Very nice. Next. It dares to occupy. Does it dare to occupy? It doesn't dare to occupy. Next.
It dares to profit. Does it dare to profit? It doesn't dare to profit.
Next. It dares to eat a humble pie. Does it dare to eat a humble pie? It doesn't dare to eat a humble pie. It dares to pretend. Does it dare to pretend? It doesn't dare to pretend. It dares to reveal. Does it dare to reveal? It doesn't dare to reveal. Can you please give me some sentence with you dare to? You dare to.
You dare to polish my shoes. Did you dare to polish my shoes?
Does,
You didn't dare to polish my shoes.
sorry, do you dare to?
Do you dare to polish my shoe? You
Don't dare to
don't dare to polish my shoe.
polish my shoes. Next. Next.
You dare to manage. Do you dare to manage? You don't dare to manage.
Manage. Next.
You dare to murder. Do you dare to murder? You don't dare to murder.
Murder. Next. Next. You dare to. Miss Sana, Miss Aisha, Jay. Where are you, Jay? Are you sleeping? Jay. I think he's not there in the meeting only. Continue.
You dare to practice.
Dare
Do you
to
dare to
touch my mobile?
don't dare to
Do
practice?
you dare to touch my? You don't dare to touch my mobile.
Next. Speak up, Jay. Speak up. Next. You dare to. Your voice is not there. Jay. Yes. You dare to interfere. Do you dare to interfere? You don't dare to interfere. You dare to grant. Do you dare to grant? You don't dare to grant. Next.
You dare
You
to
dare to
insult. Do you
reconcile.
dare to insult? You don't dare to insult.
Insult. Next.
You dare to
You dare to
slap her.
reconcile. Do you dare to reconcile? You don't dare to reconcile.
Next.
You dare to marry her. Do you dare to marry her? You dare to. You don't dare to marry her.
Marry her. Next.
You dare to move. Do you dare to move? You don't dare to move.
Move. Next.
Do you dare to force him? Do you
You
dare
dare
to
to.
force him? Do you dare to force him? You don't dare to force him.
Force him. Next. Next.
You dare to interrupt. Do you dare to interrupt? You don't dare to interrupt.
Interrupt. Next. You dare to.
You dare to neglect. Do you dare to neglect? You don't dare to neglect.
Neglect. Next. You dare to free the prisoner. Do you dare to free the prisoner? You don't dare to free the prisoner.
You
You
dare
dare
to
to.
notice. Do you dare to notice? You don't dare to notice.
Notice. Next.
You dare to injure the people. Do you dare to injure the people? You don't dare to injure the people.
Injure the people. Next.
You dare to join company. Do you dare to join company? You don't dare to join company.
Accompany the company. Next. You dare to. You dare to obey. Do you dare to obey? You don't dare to obey. You dare to lower your gaze. Do you dare to lower your gaze? You don't dare to lower your gaze. Jay, still your voice is not there. Continue, please.
You dare to start new business now. Now audible to sir?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay, sir. You start dare to
You dare to start.
you dare to start new business. Do you dare to start new business? You don't dare to start new business.
Next.
You dare to cross the limit. Do you dare to cross the limit? You don't dare to cross the limit.
Next.
You dare to push your limit. Do you dare to push your limit? You don't dare to push your limit.
Next.
You dare to approach me. Do you dare to approach me? You don't dare to approach me.
Next.
You dare to force. Do you dare to force? You don't dare to force.
Make sentences with we dare to. We dare to.
We
We
dare
dare
to
to gamble. Do
follow.
we dare
Do
to
we
gamble? We
dare
don't dare
to
to gamble.
follow? We don't dare to follow.
Follow, gamble. Next.
We dare to drive a car. Do we dare to drive a car? We don't dare to drive a car.
Next. Yes. Yes.
We dare to lick the paper. Do we dare to lick the paper? We don't dare to lick the paper.
You leak the paper. Next.
You dare to slap him. Do you dare to slap him? You don't dare to slap him.
Slap him. Next. We dare to. We dare to estimate. Do we dare to estimate? We don't dare to estimate. We dare to exaggerate. Do we dare to exaggerate? We don't dare to exaggerate. We dare to jump so high. Do we dare to jump so high? We don't dare to jump so high. We dare to hire duffers. Do we dare to hire duffers? We don't dare to hire duffers. Yes.
We dare to kidnap. Do we dare to kidnap? We don't dare to kidnap.
Kidnap. Next.
We dare to copy assignments. Do we dare to copy assignments? We don't dare to copy assignments.
Very nice. Next.
We dare to fail together. Do we dare to fail together? We don't dare to fail together.
Next. We dare to fire the arena. Do we dare to fire the arena? We don't dare to fire the arena. Yes.
We dare to take
We dare
fire
to
shot.
discover. Do we dare to discover? We don't dare to discover.
Jai.
We
to
dare
go
to
out.
take fire shot. Do we dare to take fire shot? We don't take to fire shot.
Fire shot. Next.
We dare to go outside in lockdown. Do we dare to go outside in lockdown? We don't dare to go outside in lockdown.
Correct. We dare to. Next. We
We
dare
dare
to.
to. We dare to dream. Do we dare to dream? We don't dare to dream.
Dream. Next.
We dare to flatter her. Do we dare to flatter her? We don't dare to flatter her.
Next.
We dare to explain. Do we dare to explain? We don't dare to explain.
Explain. Next.
We dare to dance on floor. Do we dare to dance on floor? We don't dare to dance on floor.
On the floor. Next. Next.
We dare to jump. Do we dare to jump? We don't dare to jump.
Next.
We dare to hate his speech. Do we dare to hate his speech? We don't dare to hate his speech.
Next.
We dare to fly airplane. Do we
We
dare
dare.
to fly the airplane?
An
We don't
airplane.
an airplane. We don't dare to fly an airplane.
Next. We dare
We
to.
dare to join. Do we dare to join? We don't dare to join.
Very good. Please, you people try to use these words in your normal conversation as well, okay? Otherwise, you will forget
Yes, sir.
it. You will forget it otherwise. Next, they dare to. They dare to.
They dare to disappear in crowd. Do they dare to disappear in cloud? Crowd. They don't dare to disappear in crowd.
Next. Next.
They dare to
dare.
improve. Do they dare to improve? They don't dare to improve.
Next.
They dare to discover the truth. Do they dare to discover the truth? They don't dare to discover the truth.
Next.
They dare to
Yes.
declare. Do they dare to declare? They don't dare to declare.
Next.
They dare to take a risk. Do they dare to take a risk? They don't take a risk. They don't take a risk.
Dare to
Dare
take
to
a
take
risk.
a risk.
Next.
They dare to kidnap the officer. Do they dare to kidnap the officer? They don't dare to kidnap the officer.
Next. They dare to drag him into the matter. Do they dare to drag him into the matter? They don't dare to drag him into the matter. They dare to consume alcohol. Do they dare to consume alcohol? They don't dare to consume alcohol.
They dare to demand. Do they dare to demand? They don't dare to demand.
Next.
They dare to kick her. Do they dare to kick her? They don't dare to kick her.
Kick her.
They dare to disagree with majority. Do they dare to disagree with majority? They don't dare to disagree with majority.
Very good. Next. Yes.
They dare to continue. Do they dare to continue? They don't dare to continue.
Very good.
They dare to control. Do they
Do they
dare
dare
to control? They don't dare to control.
control? Next.
They dare to invite him. Do they dare to invite him? They don't dare to invite him.
Invite him. Next. Next. They dare to.
They dare to invention. They
Do they
dare
dare
to
to
invention. Do they dare to invention? They don't
invent?
dare to invention.
Invent. Invent. Next.
So, but invention.
Noun. Noun. The words which are ending with shun all are nouns.
Okay, sir.
Invent is the verb. Invention is noun. Next.
They dare to eat tiffin in class. Do they dare to eat tiffin in class? They don't dare to eat tiffin in class.
Lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
Next. Next.
They dare
They
to
dare
earn.
to
Do they
tease
dare to
him.
earn? They don't dare to earn.
Do they
Earn.
dare to tease him? They don't dare to tease him.
Tease him. Tease. The. Yes, dare to.
They dare to tell a lie. Do they dare to tell a lie? They don't dare to tell a lie.
Good. Next.
They dare to watch horror movie. Do they dare to watch
They
horror
dare to
movie? They
deceive.
don't dare to watch
Very
horror
good.
movie.
Yes. They dare to deserve this.
Dare to deceive.
They
Do
dare
they
to
dare to
create.
deserve?
Do they dare
They
to create? They don't
deserve.
dare to create.
Very good. Create. Next.
They dare to digestive cuisine. Do they dare to digestive cuisine? They don't dare to digestive cuisine.
Very good. Next.
They dare to snatch the food? Do they dare to snatch the food? They don't dare to snatch the food.
Very good. Next.
They dare to spend my money. Do they dare to spend my money? They don't dare to spend my money.
Very good. Next.
They dare to consume.
They dare to
They
watch
dare
the
to
horror show.
consume. They don't dare to consume.
Very good. Next.
They want to watch
Very good.
the dare to
They dare to face up the hurdle. Do they dare to face up the hurdle? They don't dare to face up the hurdle. By the way, any doubts to anyone?
no sir.
Any questions to anyone over here?
No, sir.
No sir.
Good one. Now, the things which we are going to wrap up over here, that's what today we have completely finished with our
Model auxiliary.
Model.
auxiliary verbs.
Model auxiliary
Now,
verb.
another new topic, another important topic that I'm going to teach you here is what? Now, up to you. Just giving you the choices. Okay. Now, it is up to you. What are you going to say here? As you'll say, I'll go for. But why I'm taking a decision over here? Because I want each and everyone over here on time. Is that clear? Nobody will be absent. अरे यार आप लोग अगर absent रहेंगे यार मैं किसको पढ़ाऊंगा? किसको पढ़ाऊंगा? आप लोग के भाभी लोग नहीं आते, उन लोगों को पढ़ा दिया मैंने. Getting it? So hopefully you would be coming here. So remember this, that we are going to start a new chapter. Now I'm just going to give you the choices over here. Have you finished capitalization in this class?
No.
Next one.
No, sir.
Have you finished prepositions in this class?
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Have you finished intensifiers in this class?
No
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Have you finished conjunctions in this class?
No.
No.
Have you finished determiners in this class?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Only some,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes.
Not all of them, right?
Yeah. Few of them.
Few of them, correct. Next one. Have you finished? Have you finished? Have you finished? Have you finished? Did I show in this class letter writing,
No,
No.
sir.
mail writing,
No.
No.
letter drafting? Nothing, right?
No.
Yeah. This is what this video will be provided to you sooner. इसकी directly video मिलेगी. वो आप लोग उसको देख लेना एक बार and then ask me the questions if you have so. Next one. Or some of the good topics are there. Yes, these are the main topics. बाकी का, have I taught you presentation in this class?
No sir.
No.
No, sir.
और आप लोग तो बहुत ज्यादा प्रेजेंट हैं यहाँ पे, तो पढ़ाता कैसे था मैं आप लोगों को? These are the things which should be wrapped up sooner. Am I right? So now you tell me, are you and tenses are remaining too? Is that clear? These are the topics and tenses too. इतना सारा टॉपिक पढ़ा हुआ है और आप लोग सोते पड़े हैं, क्लास को नहीं आ रहे टाइम पर, होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं टाइम पर, कैसे होगा भाई? लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ यू टेल मी, आप लोग को नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा स्टार्ट होने वाला है उसके अंदर करना क्या है? कैपिटलाइजेशन, रिटन इंग्लिश है ये पूरा,
Tense, sir. Tenses.
टेंसेस करना है.
Yes,
क्या?
sir.
बिकॉज सी, कैपिटलाइजेशन के अंदर बोलने का कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ मैं बोलूंगा, पढ़ाऊंगा आप लोगों को, आपको सिर्फ ध्यान देना है. प्रीपोजिशंस टेंसेस बनाना है, इंटेंसिफायर सेंटेंसेस है, कंजंक्शन सेंटेंसेस है, डिटरमिनर सेंटेंसेस है. प्रेजेंटेशन में खाली आके सामने बड़बड़ करना है, टेंसेस में सेंटेंसेस है. बोलने की काफी सारी चीजें हैं. अभी से थके हुए हैं कि एक और टॉपिक लेने के बाद में फिर कैपिटलाइजेशन लूं? आई थिंक, आई बिलीव सो. हो मैं आप लोगों को कल डिटरमिनर्स लेंगे हम लोग. पहले ये नाटक को फिनिश कर डालते हैं. डिटरमिनर्स, ओके? फ्रॉम टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी डिटरमिनर्स. वन डे के अंदर रैप अप कर डालेंगे उसको फटाफट, शॉर्टकट फटाफट. ओके, ज्यादा टफ नहीं है, बहुत ईजी है. फटाफट सेंटेंस बना के देना, खत्म कर डालेंगे उसको. उसके बाद में डायरेक्ट कंजंक्शन उठाएंगे, कंजंक्शन वन डे के अंदर उड़ा डालेंगे. बाकी के टॉपिक लंबे चौड़े हैं. हेल्प मी टू हेल्प यू. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? समझा?
Yes sir.
Yes,
one.
sir.
So we'll see you tomorrow on time. Cheerio. practice at home and go for the recordings. Recordings का
Yes, sir.
आपको मैंने सबको link send किया हूँ. Go through the recordings, and if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask.